Good morning, students. I myself, Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern English School, Nevada, and welcome to you in your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you my first video lecture in history of class 6, and lesson is the in the earliest city that has been taken from lesson 4. This lesson is being started from a short story, and this story there are two boys, Jaspal and Harpreet. Jaspal and Harpreet both are friends, and now today on the occasion of holiday they are playing cricket in their outside lane of their house. Just then they saw a dilapidated buildings, it means destroyed buildings, ruined buildings, such like this, such as like this. You have also watched destroyed buildings and haunted buildings. These ruined buildings have their own stories to tell us. It means these ruined buildings that we see, old buildings, have their own story about their past. Today we are going to study such type of historical buildings or cities in this chapter. So now we come to the chapter. You must have looked like a haunted house. You must have looked like this type of ruined buildings in your locality. No, do you know these buildings tell us a past story? Like this, nearly 100 years, it means nearly 150 years ago, when the railway lines were being laid down for the first time, where in Punjab, engineers stumbled upon the site of Harappa in present day Pakistan. It means Harappa that is located at present in Pakistan. So engineers and historians were stumbling this spot about 150 years ago. For the first time, it seemed like a mound. This site seemed like a mound, for then that was a rich source of ready-made high quality bricks. In that time, when this spot was being excavated by the engineers, from these sites there were many things that were excavated, and in those things these were sources of ready-made high quality bricks, and they carried off thousands of bricks from the walls of old these ruined buildings to build railway lines. Like this, many of those buildings were completely destroyed. After that, about 80 years ago, archaeologists found the site. They realized that this was one of the oldest cities, and this oldest city was Harappa. In the subcontinent, it means in the subcontinent of India, it was the first city that was excavated. It was the first city, Harappa, that was first excavated or discovered by Rai Bahadur Dayaram Shahani. When do you know? In 1921. Later, many more cities were excavated. All other cities or sites belong to a common culture, and these cities had similar buildings. So all these cities were called as Harappan. Do you know when these cities developed? Yes, these cities developed about 4700 years ago. When we study about the location of these cities were found in the Punjab and Sindh in Pakistan. Where these cities are located now? In the Punjab and Sindh in Pakistan. And in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana and the Punjab in India. So these are the spots from where these old cities were found. Now we come to what was a special about these cities. Yes, it means today we have to study about a special features of these cities. When we study about the special feature of these cities, we can study 7 points about it. First, the town planning. The town planning was the first feature of this city. Second was use of baked bricks. In these cities, baked bricks were used to build walls. Third feature was well-planned houses. It means these cities had their well-planned houses. Fourth feature can be studied through drainage system. Yes, drainage system was very important feature of the Harappan cities. Broad streets. Fifth feature was broad streets. Its streets were very broad. And fifth, after fifth feature, we can study the Great Bath. So now we come to the first special feature. What was the first special feature of these earlier cities? Most of these cities of this civilization were divided into two parts. In how many parts? In two parts. The western part was built on a higher ground called the citadel. It means these cities were divided into two parts, east part and west part. Eastern part and western part, these were the two parts of these cities. Now we come to first of all the western part. The western part was built on a higher ground called the citadel. It means the western part which was built on a higher ground, it was called the citadel. The citadel had high walls which provided protections during the floods. It means citadel was a higher place in the western side, and citadel had high walls that always provided protection during the floods. It contained important buildings like the granary, fire altars, the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. Most probably the ruling class lived in the citadel. Which type of people used to live in citadel? The ruling class people lived in the citadel. Now we come to the lower town. It was the eastern part of the city. The lower town was in the eastern part. It was on the lower level than the citadel, but was larger than the citadel. It contained the houses and workplaces of the common people. So like this, when we study about the town planning, we can say the Harappan cities were divided into two parts, eastern part and western part. Western part was called citadel and eastern part was called lower. It means lower part. It means lower cities.